in our daily, what you call it?
Daily routine.
Yeah, daily routine. Wherever we are tuning in from, we say Anda Binaka and welcome to Ouch Palangi. So Anda Binaka Dems.
Well, good morning to Anda Binaka, to everyone joining this morning.
Yeah.
Even though it's Friday today, we welcome you. We welcome. Nanda Kubilise. Good morning to you. Good morning to everybody. Luisa Tarobi. Dinen Kumar Epelinangio. Not forgetting John Kumar Tamay Gebi Antinay Juju. Paramendra Singh.
Right.
President of Coffee Land Family. President Plaza.
Samambula, stay safe. Likewise, we say to John Kumar because sometimes you say love you, baby this and that. You say baby this and that to us too this morning.
Okay, Ilinawara. You say atu only. Bani Siradule, Ile Saranitu Lambalamba, good morning, and everybody joining this morning. As
well to all the pilots and all the cabin crew. I don't know the kapal di Wangabuka na Fiji Airways na matang di kuwa maka kinabikimlikada na lumibito di tokan wilman di say burubura na mataka ni Veingo mi pinaka ni kuwa. Our story this morning will be based on our Talanoa at 6:30.
This is a story about a man who was come along from the bush, from the farming. So nada di korong bula pinaka cucumber. Abilson Nedabu, Willimon Nedabu, and Mel Nadalebu, oh, Kainong Gumbula Binaka. So he went, after he come to the village, there was only two women was left there. They want to have one muba. Mindongan on lako.
Right.
So when they was there in the house, so the people there was wondering, because the one were already surrounded.
So what happened?
Somebody passed away.
Okay.
This passed away. He was like a friend, very friendly guy to the two ladies and also to the tabale. They are tabaleni. They are sister and brother-in-law in their society. So whatever they do it together. They eat together. They laugh together. They spoil each other for their whatever they do. So when he arrived, depend on the heart. Some heart are very standard.
How are not standard concrete?
It's right? But some no. Depending on the situation they are going through. So when they was there, people was like this, hey, what you doing there? No, we want to do one tali so that we can come to the Rengu. So they are the only two was left. There, everybody going to the Rengu. They have to meet there at 8 p.m. in one Wunimango.
Oh, okay.
Mango tree there, they have to wait there.
Come matengo, are friend
they are goodly friends. They are friendly north of their self. So when they coming down, this fella, they saw them inside the house. In the eyes, they peeping tongue on the bamboo.
Right.
The Darubu, they watching like this. There's only two female was there in the house. But they are with tabalin. And they know themselves. They are very, very afraid. And binaka kodi to a net. Hey, dola binaka. So when they enter like this, they see the gap. They saw them. They do the tali. He spark the matches. Spark the matches. Lalin sagya titili yandre. Spark the matches. When the smell of the suki. Imagine when you're in the village or somewhere in the forest like this. Like that.
Ferris wheel gurafondo.
Forest like that. Sain monim banube. You will smell the smoking coming like that. The only thing comes to your mouth, in your mind. Oh, gonna kormakawa. These people, they still moving around.
Right.
So when they was there in the house, they was like, hey, did you smell something? Oh, this one is still around. After that, the guy outside, kami do lari kinto ko na darubungo. Psst, psst. Wasi to kalama. Psst, psst. Sinibera mo yo the two inside. Hey. What else you want to come and do?
Go pero sapos because
sapos takiyo.
Yeah.
What else you want come and do?
Yeah.
If you want to go. We are here and you want to go, want to libas?
Yeah.
What else? Wasisila.
Oi.
Pew! Kasir.
Hey.
What you want to come? Huh? What you want to do here?
Yeah.
You want to go.
Yeah.
You surrender. Why
Yeah.
you want to come and chasing
Sandro
us?
Tekikitu.
Sandro Tekikitu.
Yeah.
Why you want to come again and doing this to us?
Yeah.
We are here to take you 1 mat.
No mo imbe sa talichingo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You relax there. We will come. Don't worry. We know that you are looking for us.
Isa.
We are coming.
Yeah.
Psst. Those two inside. Apakah meron sabo sa lolon raw ko?
Iya.
Hey, Matthew.
Rosario chingo.
Iya.
Iya.
Matthew.
Iya.
You kettle the fire.
Iya.
Neba tokar reti. Kettle.
Kettle the fire.
Iya. Tokar reti.
Iya.
They are lying because they want to know. They want to set
Yeah.
so that the one outside they can head. Oh, one man here I can go.
Right.
Yeah, to be like that.
Spray o kaya.
Spray.
Yeah.
Spray. They smell the perfume.
Iya. Isa.
Oh, they have that kind of smell too.
Iya.
His spray is like that.
Iya.
And
He's here.
He's here. Oh, what else you want come into?
Iya.
Just tell us. Maybe.
Dorka ka may tukuna.
Yeah.
Iya.
So on the gap of the bamboo lalangan bitu.
Iya.
On the gap of the bamboo like this.
Yeah.
When they watching, the one outside. Hey. Go. Go meron
So, how many doors in the valley?
There are only 2 doors.
Okay,
One
so-
door is a big door.
Yeah.
And another one is a small door.
Right.
So the big door
They
they
can
want.
fit both in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The big door they want to choose.
Yeah.
Sopa marama.
Yeah.
Oh, yan rin. They go.
Yeah.
When they go, they not going by foot.
Yeah.
Rusahan kasinggo. Nga ba kayong berang-bera?
First thing, they chiden no to non sulbato.
Iyo.
Iya.
They use their hand to insert their sulbato nga.
Iya.
Meron sa ndar non sulbato sa on.
Iya.
You know nga, isul ni tali-tali.
Iya.
So when they go, this fella going around
Yeah.
where the big door is.
He knew
Then, yeah.
that they will mark the big door.
The big door.
Yeah.
Because 2 of them,
Yeah.
imagine when you are old, you gain weight.
Yeah.
So they go that side,
Yeah.
and he take his okapi. Ngona isele.
Right.
Isele kona okapi.
Yeah.
He bang on the door. Bang!
Yeah.
When bang on the door, and the okapi like echo.
Yeah.
Bang, wang, 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 wang. They leave the big door and they run to the small door. The small door,
Yeah.
it's very small. It fit one,
Yeah.
But the small door
Yeah.
fit both. This both. When they go outside,
Yeah.
they saw this tabale, the one who was married them.
Yeah.
They saw them. Hey,
Yeah.
what you doing? No, I want to come. I want to eat. The leftover food is left.
Pulang there.
So nang pulang ida sen berangano buni kone.
Yeah.
Eti ko nang pulang siya nga ni soli.
Tata usar kana iba ko era lalanga ya. Ndu sa tu rumah raw. Nakatu malila ye. Wela ibe kimra rama rua era muri talimbe patake na tali tu dale ni rere. Na rere ngaru ni bukan lagi kena.
Iya.
Isa. Udah boleh usar ero di talano ana matangari kuwa. Solomon ni matao.
Oh, yan ran.
Oh, John Kumar men.
John yan rabnaka. Matalau Ezi Watson. Soba marama. Oh, soba yes. Namo.
Iya.
Andre. Touching alibian. Biukila patake na okapi. Peng wang. Melner lebu. Eles tidak kana yan rabnaka. Today is Friday. Thank you. Anda benar tobata. Malo pitu tawake. Malo. Andre nga. Oh, tamay Grace o balo leli.
Yeah.
Bula re sar ore ko may kali. O diamo kono na daw may krandua.
Oi.
May kali tamay Grace ngo donon to sa ni boyo are. Konto bangara kitchen network. Baka nga mo bangara network ngo na retio.
Iya.
Embitu balam.
Right.
Go imbida kana talibu ni mekach me on mekena na wifi berto na kana bu. Mone
Oh, iya, ya usar.
mone bu ko ka dax ni ko bul meratulo ke tame Grace.
Oh, ya usar na.
O
Wala
balo.
kita na telefoni.
Iya.
Me kes mai kina na kena supply ta kina wifi berto.
Iya.
Na network ya.
Iya. Tame Grace na napakasama. O balo leli.
Oh, ya usar na.
Iya. tu kambata saranga.
Iyo.
Musumena bitu malawa kani mata-mata ngoning gitu.
Iyo.
Bidang na telepon ni besu.
Iyo.
Kai sanga mindumu dak mekat skin rotona keno.
Ayo saranga.
Keno wifi.
Kacil na saranga idea.
Iya. Kalisto sound. Iya, right.
Yo kaya ba kuy ko ya?
Iya.
May baron rutong
Koto kun telepon ngo tangane bu kalisto sound yo andre ngo penira
Wala
right.
kang bata tuno kun bitu.
O kasin kambata huni bitu, kambata na bunindu. Kon sarana ronon don lomondon. Melek kan bitu kakin. Ena bina tabale, oni bina like hat se takan on the live. Ena matani ko kero sada ba ni mote.